In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect the Hikvision NVR to Hik-connect or Guardian Vision. The first thing we're going to want to do is log into the NVR. Once we're logged into the NVR, we're going to want to make sure it has internet. Something I see a lot of times is an incorrect DNS, so let's make sure the IP address is correct and the DNS is correct, so this NVR is going out to the internet. The next thing we want to do under network is go to advanced settings, platform access, and make sure that the Guardian Vision or Hik-connect is enabled. So we're going to have a check over here. You also have to set up a verification code. In this case, the verification code is QWERTY. Once this is done, you're going to hit save. You should see the save succeeded message. When you refresh the platform access, you should now see the register status as online. That means this NVR is connected to the Guardian Vision service or the Hik-connect service, depending on what you're setting up. The next step is to create a Hik-connect account. To do that, we're going to go to Hik-connect.com. We're going to go to the register, and we're going to enter a username, password, country, email address, the captcha code, and press I agree. You will need to enter a verification code, so make sure you have access to the email because you will not be able to access the account unless you enter that verification code. I already have an account set up, so I'm not going to go through all these steps, but I am going to go to guardianvision.com to show you that it's a similar procedure there. Again, we're going to hit register, fill in the information, make sure we have access to this email account so that we can enter the verification code. After creating your Hik-connect account or Guardian Vision account, you're going to want to log into it. I already have this account logged in, but you'd be entering the username and password you created in the previous step. Once you are here, you're going to hit the add button. Here we're going to enter the serial number of the device that we want to add to the Hik-connect. Now, if there's someone on site or you're in front of the NVR, you can get that serial number from the bottom. A lot of times we won't have access to the NVR itself, so we can also log into the NVR and get this serial number. I'm going to go back to the NVR, local, system. Here I have the serial number. This portion over here, these 9 digits are the serial number. There's a document online that can show you how to determine those digits. I'm going to copy that to my clipboard, and then I'm going to paste it here. So I hit the add button, entered the serial number, press search, and as you can see, it found the device over here. I'm going to click on this plus sign to add the device to my Hik-connect account. This is the verification code we created earlier, which was QWERTY. I'm going to enter that, hit add. Now I want to give this a name that's logical. So you should give it a name that makes sense because whenever someone logs into the Hik-connect account, they will see the name of the device. And I'm going to press OK. Now we have this particular device added to the Hik-connect account. The device can only be added to one account. If you wanted, you could share it with another account by going to My Shared Devices and clicking on Share a Device. Here you'd want to enter a valid Hik-connect account, an email address that's associated with a valid Hik-connect account. If you were to enter that, you could hit share and you would be sharing this device. It's very common that you may have more than one person using a Hik-connect account, and in that case you'd want to use the share option. The setup is similar for Guardian Vision. I'm going to delete this account here because, as we mentioned earlier, we can't have this device associated with 2 separate accounts. So I'm going to delete this account because we're going to add it to the Guardian Vision. It's deleted. Now I'm going to Guardian Vision this time. Going to enter my credentials. and you're going to see it's a similar page here. I'm going to add another device. We're going to enter the serial number again. Press search, device found, add, verification code, query, logical name, and the device is added. There's another video that shows you how to view these devices on your mobile phone. You can view that video separately. That's all for this video. Thank you.